Go.
All right, so I'm going to teach you how to do a velocity problem. So the question is, a baseball player hits a baseball off a tee with a bat at an initial speed of 60 meters per second at a 45-degree angle to the horizontal. Calculate the horizontal distance traveled by the ball if it leaves the tee at a height of 1 meter above the ground. All right, simple enough. This is 1 meter. So I drew a picture here already to help us out. So define the Vx, Vix, Viy. We need to do some sine and cosine here. So the sine of 45 degrees equals Viy over 60. And that's like over 1 kind of. So Viy equals, let me put that into the calculator. This is 5 times 60. We get 42.43. All right, that's meters per second. And then we have to find Vix. So the cosine of 45 degrees equals Vix over 60. Pretend like that's over 1, so then we get Vix equaling, hold on.
How are you able to take a 2-minute video? I can't even take a picture of it.
42.43 again. All right, that should be the same because it's a 45, so they should both be the same, but that's how you show it algebraically. So let's put them both in here, 42.43, 42.43, and this is all meters per second. Meters per second. All right, and then we know that the acceleration in the x direction is 0 meters per second squared, and that in the y direction it is negative 9.8. That's because of gravity. All right, and then delta x, we do not know. That is what we are trying to find here from when it lands. And the delta y is 1 meter. That's because of the height of the t. All right, so first what we need to do is we need to use the delta y equation to find time, and then we can plug time into the delta x equation and then find delta x. So let's do delta y, which is Viyt plus 1/2 Ayt squared. That's our delta y equation. And so we have 1 equaling Viy, which is 42.43 t plus 1/2 Ay is negative 9.8 t squared. So now if we shift everything over to one side, we'll have 0 equaling, and then we plug that in, which is negative 4.9 t squared plus 42.43 t minus 1. All right, so then we have it equaling, if we get out the formula, which, do you have ELK? I don't think formula. I don't think ELK has that.
There's a formula.
No, not that. Program.
Wait, quadratic formula?
Yeah, do you have
I
any?
have that.
Whatever, I already have it.
Alright.
B 42.43, C equaling 1. So we have it equaling negative 0.0235, or it equaling, or this is a T, 8.683. So since this one's negative, doesn't make sense, this is the one to go with. So that's what t equals. Now we can plug into delta x. So delta x then equals VIX t plus 1/2 AX t squared. So then delta x equals, and since AX equals 0, this all equals 0. So we're just going to cancel that out. And then VOI equals 42.43 times the 8.683. So then delta x equals, plug into our calculator. Oh, wait, shit. Oops. We get 368.42 meters. So that's how far the ball went. It's a pretty big hit.